Hi guys, and welcome back to Black Stag Styling, where you join us for another one of our awesome videos, and it's a pleasure to be doing this one. It's on one of the brand new Ford Ranger Wildtraks. This is the V6 version in lucid red, so nice to have this one in. Nice to have a slightly different colour to the normal ones we see. So we've got a couple of bits we're doing on this. We'll move to the back of the vehicle first. We have the Alpha GSE Lazer hardtop or canopy going on the back. This is also colour coded to the vehicle, so it comes in the lucid red. So we're going to be fitting that very shortly and getting that all wired in as required. It has a J-brace system that has to be fitted onto the vehicle first. So once everything's stripped, there's a special system that has to be installed, recommended by Ford and VW, because as you'll probably know, these are the same as the VW Amarok. So we fit that and then get the canopy all on. As we move back to the front of the vehicle, over here, we are also doing the Lazer Triple R850 lights into the grille. So this is a really cool upgrade. It will work with the main beam, so as the customer puts his main beam on, it will bring the laser lights on. These will be installed into the grille across here, making a massive difference to his main beam. And lovely couple of upgrades on this. This is directly for a customer of ours, Tyson Cooper, so I'll put the link down below for them. Do give them a shout if you need any vehicles sourced, vans, pickup trucks, they'll be able to help, and of course we can do all the styling because we do lots and lots of bits. Check out some of the other videos on the channel. We'll get this into the workshop where Adam will be cracking on with doing the work. I'll try and help as well. So roll the old intros, here we go.
So we have got all the bits here going on the Ford Ranger Next Gen Wildtrak. So we have the Alpha GSE hardtop in the lovely lucid red, all ready to go on.
There we go, it looks smart, doesn't it?
Yeah. We have obviously got all the fit and kit for the hardtop, including the J-brace section, which you have to have for these Ford Rangers, and also the VWs.
Superb,
and
superb.
Then we have our Lazer Triple R850s to go in the grill.
Nice, there we go, look at them little bad boys.
Yeah, work along with the high beam. They'll look pretty cool. Yes, we'll crack on.
Here we go.
We'll do it all on, pal. Hello mate, how you doing?
Hello pal, we're all good.
Good, good.
How you getting on?
All good mate, you can see we're pretty stripped out in here. Obviously we've removed the back sort of rollover bar and the butt liner itself. And I've just fitted these lovely, what they call J-bracket support brackets, which basically are just a support bracket that allow you to carry the same amount of weight as you could with, or before you had the canopy on the top.
Right, I see.
So yeah, I shall carry on, get those on.
Superb, yeah, both sides I see.
Yeah, both sides here. Sturdy old L bracket sort of thing that goes underneath.
Lovely.
Once we've done these, we can get the butt liner back in itself and then start wiring up the wiring loom for the canopy itself.
Lovely, superb, pal.
We're getting there, mate. Oh, lovely time.
It looks like it, mate.
Lovely time.
Looks like you're enjoying yourself.
Tommy's just watching. You right, Tommy? Just watching. He's doing the next one, you see.
Ah, right.
He's watching this one.
He's just
passing the buck.
No, I won't say that. My kids could be watching, you know.
Okay, mate. Doesn't
even care, did you?
Didn't even care.
Don't shot here, pal. Right, so we are now on the final straight of fitting the Alpha caddy top to the back of the Ford Ranger. We have just got left the fixing brackets, 6 of these lovely little brackets. They've got to go along the insides of the tailgate sort of runner, holds it all in place. Some nice little plastic covers to make them look smart once they're in.
Nice. A few other bits in there and we just fitted.
I just got to tackle the wiring as well. Got to one big wiring loom, one down one way, one down the other way. So we'll get that all wired in. That's for all obviously the central locking, the heat rear screen, rear brake light, interior light. It's all got to be connected.
Superb.
We've even got to connect the heated rear screen. To work along with the original rear heated rear screen.
Oh, superb. Central locking as well, on this one?
Central locking, the lot, yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, looks smart. Let me show you with the lid down, look. The lid down.
Oh. Yeah, it's looking smart, that now. I'll just pan round a little bit. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah,
got bolts on so we don't fall off, really, haven't
we? Yeah, that's it. Even I'm going to help in a minute.
He's getting in it, yeah.
I see you're holding something in your hand there, Rad.
Oh, this is my new ratchet spanner. Yeah.
Yes, let's have a little.
You hear that? Right.
We can hear it, pal. Let's have a little. Nice.
First breaking it in. First job.
Make sure it works all right.
Yeah, that's it.
Right.
Let's do it, pal.
Then. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Right, so we are now doing the final little bits of wiring. I've trailed my wire all the way from the back to the front. We are just wiring in the heated rear screen at the minute. So I've had to test to identify the wire using my little testing probe here.
Oh, lovely.
Which one was heated screen. I'm now just attaching my wires, and then we'll be pretty much there for a little sort of start testing, really. Yeah.
Looking good, pal.
We'll be there, won't we?
Got all the required little clips and fixings down there, look.
Oh, yeah. We got all the gear.
Under the old bonnet to do.
We got all the gear.
We get, like I'd say, we're getting there now. The hinges and that, as you've seen, are all in the back. To hinges, I say sort of brackets even, to hold the canopy in place. Ad's just doing his wiring that he's ran underneath the vehicle.
Come and look up here, mate. It's all lovely up the front as well.
Oh, okay, mate. We'll have a little look.
Yeah, it's all we're right, all trailed up. Right here, look. We're right ready to go onto the battery. So yeah, so we've basically followed the main wiring loom of the vehicle along the chassis, cable tied it all to that, so it's all nice and safe, all up nice and high, so there's nothing exposed on sort of bottom edges or anything.
Superb.
And we'll connect it up in a few minutes.
Lovely. Give it a try, shall we?
See what happened, yeah.
See what happened.
I reckon a bit right.
Yeah, I think you're right.
What do you reckon, Billy? Oh, Fraser.
That's all.
He's having a banana, filming with his banana.
Oh yeah, here he comes.
Oh, that's not nice.
Lovely. Right, now he's had his banana and Ad's doing his wiring. Away we go. Right, we join Ad under the vehicle. What are you doing, pal?
Hey, I haven't been run over, don't panic, I'm okay.
That was why we come to check, to be honest with you.
We've just done all our pre-tests and everything. I'm just connecting up the central locking wires. You just have to test them to check you've got them the right way around, so you don't lock and unlock and lock when you don't want to lock. And yeah, so
you don't want that, pal.
We're all good, so we are now just hardwiring them in.
Cool.
And that is the last bit done. We're all done, all tried, tested.
Well, we'll have a little run through in a minute, won't we?
God, I don't know about a run.
We'll have a little check, make sure all locks and unlocks.
Yeah,
show the old show the fans on YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we wired it all in correctly.
Oh yeah.
Lovely. Then it'll be time to move on to the laser lights.
Yeah, man.
Lovely times.
We'll be there, won't we?
You know it.
Right, so we are all there with the Alpha GSE canopy top, all fitted on, all wired in, run you through so it all works off central locking. And then we have obviously the interior lights, which is all working there.
Nice.
Yeah, rear screens all wired in for the demister as well. And yeah, nice top. Looks smart, doesn't it?
Superb, like I say, all works off the central locking. Got your tinted glass as well.
Yeah, tinted glass, openable windows, got your roof rack bars. We got a lot, haven't we?
Yeah, it's nice, mate. Colour coded as well.
Yeah. That takes us on to the next bit now. So we'll have a little look at the fitting the laser lights into the front grille. Superb.
We also have in with us at the moment another Ford Ranger Wildtrak. This is one of the Mark 7 ones. This, in fact, is one of the first ones we done as a Black Stag edition. So it's got the arches, the black rhino wheels. It's just back in with us at the moment to have a suspension upgrade. So we're doing the Pedders suspension. We're a Pedders dealer. Awesome suspension. This is a 2-inch lift kit with the soft cell suspension, so it'll give a nicer ride. Leaf springs have been changed as well, as you can see. So we've got new leaf springs to go along with the soft cell shock as well. We've got a front bar to go on and a tailgate dampener, so for the soft open and close feature. So we'll do a little bit extra video in a mo.
Right, come and have a little look at the grill. We've got it all. I've just unboxed it all. So yeah, these are the actual laser lights, and these are the Triple 850s.
Nice, cool. They are smart. They are. We do a lot of the laser lights, don't we, mate?
Yeah,
they are really good.
They mount into the actual grill. Got a little bit of cutting of the grill, so you do have to chop the grill a little bit.
Yep.
And then, as you can see in the final picture, that's where they sit there.
Nice.
We're going to wire them all into the high beams. So yeah, we'll crack on with that.
Superb. Get that old grill out.
Right, that is us all just about wired in. Just wired in the high beam and the constant live into the laser lights. So we'll crack on, have a little test of them, and get the drill all fitted in.
Superb.
Let's go for it, shall we? I'll come back and refit all this once we're tested.
Lovely job.
Should be all good.
Superb, sir.
Lovely. The sun's come out. Look at the sunshine.
Lovely.
Lovely, isn't it? Hey, we're now going in, mate. We are now going in.
Looking smart, mate. Looking smart.
Look good, doesn't it?
It does. Yeah, it does look good.
Check all my tabs are in, because if you miss a tab once it's in, I say, hello, paint it out with you.
It does look good, that. Looks good, the grill with the laser lights in it.
Yeah.
Big old lights, aren't they?
So we have just tested them. They're all working, all good. We'll do your little demo run through in a minute.
Superb.
Just get it all fixed.
Right, we're going to give you a little demo of the light. So at the moment, you actually have like a side light, which is just nicely lit on the laser lights. That stays on with the side lights for the vehicle. And then stick the old main beam on. It's hard to tell in here, but they are lovely and bright. Look at them. They will, the laser lights are superb, so when he's got the main beam on, they will be lovely and bright. And like I say, he's got the side light on. Look at that, look. Ooh, beautiful. Give us a shout for anything like this. Right, we're pretty much all done. We'll give it a little spruce up and we'll do our last bit of filming. Right, that brings us to the end of another one of our videos here at Black Stag Styling. So thank you for checking it out, and it's been a nice working on one of the new Ford Ranger Wildtraks V6 in the lucid red. Don't forget, do give Tyson Cooper a shout if you want anyone to source your vehicle, vans, pickups, cars, whatever you want. Give them a shout, links will be down below. Most importantly though, let's have a look at the bits we've been doing here at Black Stag Styling. So we'll start at the front of the vehicle. We have removed the front grille and installed the Lazer Triple R850 spotlights. These are linked all in with the main beam, but also have a little side light feature which you might be able to see, just the side light sections that have come on, link up with the side lights so they stay on the whole time. Give us a flash, Steve. Look at that, and then you've got your main beam, all linked to your main beam. So this has got the auto main beam feature, so as soon as the main beam comes on, they will come on as well. So a lovely little feature, all fitted, installed by our good selves. Give us a shout, Black Stag Styling, if you want anything like that. Then moving down the vehicle to the back. Hi Steve.
Hi Alex.
This is Steve, our sexy good looking assistant. And then moving to the back, we have our lovely canopy. So this is the Alpha GSE hardtop canopy in the lucid red. Got the tinted glass of course as well. All works off the central locking, so as soon as you do your key with the central locking, all works a treat. Don't have to worry about anything like that. We'll open it up, all on the gas struts for the boot. You've got your interior light as well. Just lower that as well. So we bring that down. So yeah, there's all clamped, put in position as you've seen on the video. So lots of other canopies available, lots of other accessories available through our good selves here at Black Stag Styling. Let's watch the tow bar. So do give us a shout. Don't forget, do like and subscribe to the old channel, turn on the notifications, stay fully up to date with everything we are doing. Yeah. We'll give you a last look around the vehicle to finish. As always, stay tuned, get subscribing. We'll see you soon. Thanks very much.